For more information on the products used in this video, the link is in the description.
Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. We're going to talk about how to get customers fast, so stay locked in. Go and join the NewWave Facebook group by A&A. Ask for permission to join. I'm accepting everybody. I want to see people in Australia. I want to see what y'all doing in the UK, Germany, like across the world, across the nation as well. So don't forget to join, man. Shouts out to the NewWave. Peace. All right, before we get started, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all my latest videos. Another thing I want to tell you guys, there's a lot of you watching my channel and you're not subscribed. I saw that in my analytics. I got more people watching my channel that's not subscribed than my subscribers. That's crazy to me. So go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Again, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the new ones. All right? So let's get right into it. How to get customers fast. Now, the thing is that word fast, I know I put that in there. Now, fast means different to different people. If I put an ad out and I start getting responses in a week, that's fast to me. Some people want them immediately. I'm 40-something years old. I think I'm part of the microwave generation where you want everything quick. But in my old age, I've been getting a little more patient. But I know you guys want it fast, but the thing is that you just gotta have faith that it's gonna work. You gotta let everything play itself out. All right, so, but the quickest way, the fastest way that I've gotten customers is being seen. And I know y'all heard this all before. It's nothing new. Being seen. What I would do is I would take my car or a family member's car, brother, sister, whoever, or a friend, someone that you know, that you can tell, look, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow my business. Let me use your car. Fine. Okay, now when you got that car, there's so many things you can do with that car. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go out and take the car out to like Walmart. And I'm talking about in a good area. Walmart. Go in the parking lot. Don't get in the way of anybody. Kind of be out in the distance, but to where cars on that frontage road or cars coming in the parking lot can see you. All right, and you detail that vehicle. You could just do the outside only. You know, get you some polisher pads, get your polisher out, put some foam soap on it. Make sure you get the tires wet. You know, and when you out there, you know, take your time and polish the vehicle or wax the vehicle or whatever. And just make sure it's on a pretty day where the sun is hitting it and everything is shining. And just, you know, show off. And people are going to look and see what you're doing. And they're going to say, hey, how much do you charge? Pass out your business cards and you talk to them briefly. All right? That's the quickest way. All right? Now, you're going to have to put other things with that. That can't be your only form of advertising, because that's where a lot of us mess up. We come up with one way and we want to stick to that way of advertising. And when it slows up, we think advertising doesn't work. But there are many forms of advertising. And another thing about that parking lot thing, don't think you're going to post up in a parking lot every day and get customers. Don't rely on that. You want to be mobile. You want to go to houses. You want to get bigger jobs. You don't want to sit in the parking lot all day, because there are going to be people that are going to think that's where you're going to be, and they're going to come in there, and usually those people want cheap prices. You don't want to post up in the parking lot and sit there. You're mobile for a reason. You're mobile so you can go around. That posting up and detailing cars that way, I'm totally against that, because what that does is that just bring your value down, right? So that strategy is to get people in that area. It's not to post up there every week or every weekend and get cars. No, that's just a tactic. And when I do it in different places. I don't do it just one place when I do the being seen method. Okay, there are other ways of being seen. You have social media. Now that's being seen virtually. All right. So with that same car, you take pictures, you do videos before and after and everything of that same car that you was doing to be seen. You do that to be seen again on social media. So you put that out on social media, right? Okay. Now the thing about your goal for social media is you want to get customers, but your main goal should be awareness. You want everybody to know that you are a detailer, that you have a business, that you are mobile, that you have your own water and electricity and you can go to them, right? That's what you want to do. All right, so now all your people, all your friends and family that probably not going to support your business, they're not going to call you up and be ordering details. You'll be, it's probably shocking to some of you guys, but that's real. Most people are your Facebook friends, or people that you know, that you went to school with, work with, or whatever, cross your life at some point, and they're your Facebook friend. Most of those guys are not going to call you for a detail or anything like that, but you still want them to know that you're doing it, because what happens is that they would know people who need your services, and they know someone. And when someone says, hey, in search of a mobile detailer, in search of lawn care, in search of this, when they put that on Facebook, then people start tagging your name in there. And that's how that works. Also, Facebook groups, Facebook neighborhood groups, all that stuff. If you can get into a Facebook group with, if it's a soccer mom or a carpooling Facebook group or whatever it is, you want to get into those type of Facebook groups. And that way, you can promote your stuff there. There's a fast and quick way to get customers. I do it all the time. You want to make sure that you can be found. And that is the biggest thing. A lot of detailers that I know of and a lot of people that I follow on Instagram and on Facebook, when I go and look them up and search them, I can't find them but anywhere but on Facebook and Instagram. You want to get on sites like Yelp and Google, because people are looking for your services. So you want to be found. And when you're found, you want to have all your stuff laid out. Now, this goes back to the videos you got from the being seen car wash in the parking lot of Walmart. You want to keep doing many videos like that. So now when they find you, you have a resume. You see what I'm saying? And you have to use all this stuff together. Now, I know some of you guys want to know, should I pass out flyers? Yeah, it works. But passing out flyers takes too much time. It does. Walking in neighborhoods and putting them on cars, it takes forever. So you want to put your stuff on Facebook. The same video that you put, that you recorded your before and after, that you wanted all your family and friends to see on Facebook, you take that same video and you put some money behind it and you promote it. It's going to cost you. I can get like 1,000 flyers for maybe a little under $100. If you put $100 into Facebook advertising, they will promote your stuff out to whatever area you want. And I've done $10, $20 and reached thousands of people. So just imagine with $100 how many people you can reach. You can do that. That's a whole lot better than handing out business cards all day. Side note, let's go back. I talked about going into the Walmart parking lot and detailing vehicles. Now, I know some of you guys are like, oh my God, what if, security asks me to leave? Or what if somebody comes out there and says I can't be out there? Oh well, it happens. It's not the end of the world. For the most part, they're not going to call the cops. And if they do call the cops, they're only going to ask you to leave. It's better to ask for forgiveness than permission. If you go in there and ask for permission, they're going to say no. But if you go out there and do it, you might just get by. The goal is not to set up there every day. Like I said, the goal is to get customers and let people see what you can do. That's the quickest way, is by being seen. You can also go to banks, salons, and different places like that. You can walk into a salon, look for the head person there, say, hey, I'm starting up my business. Or introduce yourself first, because that's rude not to introduce yourself. Walk up, hey, my name's Anthony. I'm the owner of A&A Professional Services. I just started. I'm detailing vehicles. I would like to do yours for free to bring awareness to my company. Here are my cards. Pass them out to, people in here and see if they want theirs done too. Do hers for free. Boom. There you go. See what I'm saying? That's another way of being seen, because when you go out there and do a car, the customers inside will see it, the workers inside will see it, and passerbyers and onlookers will see it as well. You see what I'm saying? Now, sometimes you're going to have to ask for permission, and sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. All right? But you got to get off your ass and get on your feet. Stop, stop worrying about what could happen and just go out there and do it. If it happens, it happens. Get reviews. Google, Facebook. When you do good work and you've been praised by your work in person, have that customer leave you a review on all your platforms. Get as many as you can. Ask every customer you come in contact with, especially the ones that are excited from the results. Ask them to leave you reviews. People who are searching for you are going to look at your resume. Reviews are a part of your resume. They go along with your before and after pictures. Makes you look more legit, right? Makes people want to deal with you. Nobody wants to deal with somebody that nobody has dealt with before. Nobody wants to be first. The hardest thing is getting that first customer. Just a quick recap of what we talked about. Be seen, whether it's physically or virtually. It doesn't have to be the example that I gave about going out to the parking lot and doing cars. That's just something that I like to do. But I always notice every time I'm working, people stop by and ask me questions about what I'm doing. And I've always been able to get customers that way. So that's why I use that example. But have a way you can be seen. You also want to be seen on social media. All right. Second thing we talked about was awareness. Now, sometimes you can put stuff on social media and nothing's going to come of it. But people see it. And if you keep putting it on there over and over, once a week, twice a week, some people do it every day. People will know, okay, this guy details cars. They're going to associate you with detailing cars. So that's bringing awareness to your company. Number 3, the third thing that I covered was being found. People are looking for you. Remember that. People search Google all the time. They search Google for everything. You want to be found. So when people go to their search engines, you want your name to pop up because they're looking for you and you want to be found. Reviews. You want to get reviews. Reviews are equivalent to recommendations. All right? The more reviews you get, the better. It lets people know that you're legit and this is what you do. Get those reviews. Last but not least, look like a business. What I mean, look like a business, get you some logos, t-shirts, hats, or whatever. I know some people don't believe in t-shirts, but it works. When people see a logo on your van, they see you with the logo on, it makes you look more official. It makes you look approachable because you're a business. You're not just some random guy doing work for somebody. They don't know if you're a business or you're just doing it on the side. All right, well, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And shouts out to the NewWave. Peace.
For more information on the products used in this video, the link is in the description.